Hi, it's Ben here from Safe Drive Solutions, and I wanted to talk about whether or not dash cameras pick up license plates. And recently got a real big win here. One of my clients contacted me, told me that the dash camera wasn't recording and did not catch an incident while parked. So I told him, listen, I'd like to see what's going on with your dash camera. I'm going to show up tomorrow when I'm in the area. Does that work for you? He said, yes. So showed up. We looked at his dash camera, logged in, found the video right away. The real big win here is somebody was coming into his parking lot and stealing catalytic converters. So all he could find at first was the video of the guy standing in front of his vehicle. And really, we all know a basic description of somebody is a lot harder to find if you don't have anywhere to trail it, because plenty of people have a black hat and brown hair and wear glasses kind of thing, right? So really, what are you going to do with that information? You can try and throw it on the media and maybe get lucky, or throw it on the socials. However, the vehicle that the gentleman was driving drove in front of the dash camera, and we got full license plate on camera. Real big win. It's going to help with the police investigation, because these catalytic converters are costing, from I have a friend of mine that's telling me it's costing, $500 to like $2,000 for some of these vehicles, just to get these catalytic converters replaced. So I'm very glad I was able to help with that. Real big win. Dash cameras do catch license plates, not all the time, but this was a real big win for my client. Any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Cheers.